So far, I am loving the Bold N3. So far, so good. So right now, I just threw Nova Launcher on top of it just to give it a different look. But man, this AMOLED display is gorgeous. This has a curve to it. A lot of people do not like curved devices, but I'm one that loves a curved device. It makes the phone look more futuristic and more, I don't know, just more nicer to me, but that is my opinion. Like, you do get that punch hole camera at the top and get all your cutouts at the bottom there. The only bummer about this device is it only has one down-firing speaker, so I will have to test out how it sounds. And that camera array does look nice. This reminds me of something that OnePlus would do with their big cameras, you know. That's what it reminds me of. And then this color is just beautiful. And I'm not really a fan of colored backgrounds, so this looks real good, and I'm really enjoying it so far. It does have the always on display, as you can see. You get your fingerprint scanner, and it is pretty snappy. But overall, this is a nice device if you're just out there looking for something for yourself or your kid, but you don't want to break the bank. I would recommend you go pick up the blue Bold N3. And another thing that I want to update, because when I picked this up on Amazon, it had told me that it would not currently work on AT&T, but as you can see, I do have an AT&T Sims, and I am getting service right now. It's on Wi-Fi, but I can go here and switch that over to, I can switch it over to regular internet, and it will work just fine. And I am getting 5G at that, so you don't have to worry. If you pick this device up, it will work on all carriers except for CDMA, which is Sprint, and Verizon Wireless. But if you're sticking to the Cricket, the Metro by T-Mobile, the T-Mobile, you should be good to go, because like I said in the description when I read it, it said it would not work with AT&T and Cricket, but as you can see here, it is working just fine. So I hope you found this little video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.